Your sling has two straps and the pocket for your forearm. There are two Velcro strips which grip only to the blue side of each strap. Place your hand in the pocket of the sling and use your other hand to help get your elbow right into the corner of the sling pocket. Next, pull the end of the shoulder strap over your shoulder. Ensure the blue side is facing outwards. Pass the end of the strap into the plastic ring that sits where your thumb is in the sling. Fold the hook Velcro back onto the blue side of the strap. Reach around your back just behind your elbow in the sling. Hold the end of the Velcro and pull it around to the front. Make sure the blue side is facing outwards. Pass the end of the strap into the plastic ring that sits at the end your fingers are in the sling. Fold the hook Velcro back onto the blue side of the strap. Remove the waist strap first so you don't suddenly take the weight of your arm. Then remove the shoulder strap. Lean slightly to the side of your injured arm to allow the sling to slide out from under your arm. A broad arm sling has many uses. Typically this sling is used after recent shoulder injuries due to trauma or after shoulder surgery.